Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Curlyzhedvlog, and for today I will show you how to do this round coaster crochet. Here are the materials that I use: acrylic yarn, 4-ply scissors, 5mm hook, and yarn needle. First, let's make a magic ring. Then chain 2. This will serve as your first double crochet. Then, inside the magic ring, make 11 double crochet. When you're done, close the magic ring. Now, make a slip stitch. To begin with round 2, chain 2. Now make 1 double crochet on the next stitch and then chain 1. For the following stitch, make 2 double crochet and chain 1. Repeat the pattern alternate until you completed the round. And now I'm doing my last 2 double crochet. And then chain 1, then slip stitch to complete round 2. Now, cut the yarn and we're going to fasten off later the excess. And for round 3, we're going to switch with color pink. So attach the yarn on the space. To do that, insert your hook on the space, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then chain 3. Chain 3 will serve as your first double crochet. On the same space, make 2 double crochet and chain 1. On the next space, make 3 double crochet and chain 1. Again, on the next space, make 3 double crochet and chain 1. I only have 1 space left, and to finish this, I will do the same 3 double crochet on the space and then chain 1. Close this round by doing a slip stitch. Cut the excess yarn. For round 4, attach the white yarn on the space, then chain 3. This will serve as your first double crochet. Inside the space, make 1 double crochet, then chain 1, and then 2 double crochet, then chain 1. On the next space, make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and then make 2 double crochet, and then chain 1. Repeat this pattern until you finish round 4. Now this is the last space, and I'm going to do the pattern 2 double crochet, and chain 1 and another 2 double crochet, next chain 1 and then make a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Cut and weave in all the excess yarn. This is the final outcome. I hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell to notify you if I have new uploads. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you on my next tutorial. Bye!